Just so you know, he has a case reset for 30 days from now.
That's
Okay, but he has to be here in 30
okay.
days.
And you just gotta come down here, please.
Ellos dicen que vaya con ellos.
Thanks. You gotta come down here. Let's do it. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, just so you guys know, like they have 30 days. They have to get back into the court.
Yep.
30 days.
No.
Now at 10, ICE operations continue in San Antonio for a second day in a row. Agents are seen arresting migrants at immigration court.
And look at this scene on the northwest side. 3 people who appear to be part of a landscaping company. They were taken into custody in this parking lot of the shopping center.
Crying out, "I don't want to die in Honduras," an emotional mother taken by ICE agents at immigration court Thursday. Another mother also placed in the same van. Her husband says she has no prior criminal history.
Mis hijas esperándolos en la casa. 6 niñas tengo, dependen de nosotros.
But like most arrested, she had just had her case dismissed by a judge.
We were requesting a merits hearing, and the judge declined to set a merits hearing because DHS asked for the case to be dismissed and the client to be ordered removed, saying that it was not in the government's interest to hear a full case.
These videos shared to us show agents in the lobby of the immigration court waiting for migrants, one agent even holding what appears to be a list with pictures. Shortly after, you see agents escort an entire family into a charter bus. ICE says these arrests are a part of the Trump administration's plans to reverse former President Biden's so-called catch and release program. They are now utilizing expedited removals. It allows them to fast-track deportations for people who have been in the country for less than 2 years. These arrests are evoking fear among people who have upcoming hearings. One attorney who's representing a man from Central Africa says the option for migrants to appear virtually for hearings appears to be gone. Her client also had his case dismissed.
I feel like we portraying people who's here with credible fears. Just knowing his story, I feel like I let him down.
But ICE wasn't just at immigration court Thursday. Our cameras capturing agents and state troopers taking 3 undocumented migrants who appear to be landscapers into custody at a shopping center. ICE officials wouldn't tell us their nationalities or if they face any other criminal charges beyond entering the country illegally.
I mean, this is sad to say the least. I get it. Immigration enforcement is a crucial part of any country's sovereignty. And the US is no exception either. Over the years, as we all know, every president, including Obama, has deported undocumented immigrants for a variety of reasons. So yes, this current administration isn't an exception either, especially since the US Constitution grants the federal government plenary authority over immigration, including the power to exclude and expel non-citizens. So yeah, that's okay. But where many people, including myself, have an issue is how it's being carried out under this current administration. The inhuman methods being used. Also, one other thing to note, in January 2025, DHS issued a memo explaining the use of expedited removal, meaning that under this policy, the government can detain and deport people without a hearing before a judge if they can't prove they've lived in the US for at least 2 years. So, if you're an undocumented immigrant, please carry evidence of your 2-year residency if you have it. And if you're arrested, show it to an officer. This could help you avoid being deported without seeing a judge, because all of us, we have that right to see a judge. But if you don't have that paper, then it becomes questionable. If you can, also have a lawyer on speed dial to help you navigate all of this. I know it's expensive, but just do your best. Until next time, please stay safe.